Vedi Gupta. Today I will tell you about skip counting. One part 110, 120, dash and dash. Skip by 10. 120 and next number is 130. Now next number is 140. Now we will do the second part. 58, 62, dash and dash. Skip by 4. 63, 64, 65, 66. 67, 68, 69, 70. Now, third part 72, 77, dash and dash, skip by 5. 78, 79, 80, 81, 82. 83, 84, 85, 86, 87. Fourth part 39, 42, dash and dash, skip by 3. 43, 44, 45. 46, 47, 48. Fifth part 115, 117, dash and dash, skip by 2. 118, 119. 120, 121. Now answers are completed. Today we learn about skip counting, skip by 10, skip by 4, skip by 5, skip by 3 and skip by 2. Bye.